Hello there. After a very dry few weeks, some of us are no doubt praying for a touch of rain to help water the gardens, but it is still worth thinking about the impacts that heavy rain can bring, and some disruption is possible as this band of heavy rain pushes across southern England and into southern Wales throughout Sunday night. 20 to 40 millimetres of rain in just a few hours, and the odd rumble of thunder is also possible in the mixture as well, so do just take care because there will be some difficult driving conditions. Elsewhere, we'll see scattered showers clearing their way northwards across Scotland, but a much drier night for the vast majority of us. We'll be quite misty and murky across southern areas of England, also around coasts of the Irish Sea and across the far north of Scotland as well. For all of us, though, it is going to be a humid and muggy night. Temperatures well holding up into double-digit figures, perhaps mid into high teens for some of us, so slightly uncomfortable for sleeping in places. As we start off Monday morning, this rain across Wales will eventually clear its way off, and the cloud will break up a bit more as well, but could linger around some coastal areas throughout the day. But we see the sunshine, though, that's increasingly going to help trigger off some thunderstorms, and there are warnings in place for parts of the Highlands, Aberdeenshire, Moray, Dumfries and Galloway, western parts of Northern Ireland. Another one for Wales, stretching into the Midlands as well. These are really the focus points for where we expect the most likely thunderstorms and potential impacts to occur through Monday. Torrential downpours possible at quick and short notice, with hail and a few strong gusts in there as well. It's also going to be central areas down into southern parts of England and Wales where we see our top temperatures over the course of the day. High 20s in places, if not pushing towards 30 degrees Celsius again, so another hot one. As we move into Monday evening, these showers will linger for a time, so there could still be a few rumbles of thunder as we head throughout the first part of Monday evening, but they will slowly begin to die their way down as we head more into the overnight period. We'll see a good number of clear intervals develop for inland areas, but that cloud will push its way back into some coastal areas, particularly around the Irish Sea, northern areas of Scotland, and now more so across parts of the Moray Firth and down the eastern coastal areas as well. Temperatures relatively similar to the night before. It won't be dropping that much cooler at all. Again, widely between 15, 16, maybe 18 degrees Celsius in some upbuilt urban areas. Just slightly fresher down eastern parts of England as we start to develop a bit of an easterly breeze, and it is generally eastern parts of the country that, as we head throughout the middle part of the week, will start to feed in that cooler air. So if you are suffering from the heat a touch, then do head towards those coastal areas where the sea breeze develops. Elsewhere through Tuesday, we'll have a good number of sunny intervals, fewer showers around compared to recent days. There is still the risk that we see the odd one or two, and again they could be heavy in nature and provide a few issues in places, but otherwise a very dry day to come and a lot of sunny intervals. Temperatures in the sunshine again will be climbing towards that 30-degree mark across parts of the Midlands down into southern areas of England, and in addition to those eastern coastal areas where temperatures will be just a touch cooler, again across some other coastal areas where the cloud perhaps lingers throughout the day, that will just hold our temperatures back a touch. The settled weather that we see over the course of the middle part of the week is all due to this area of high pressure that is building its way in and extending its influence more across all areas of the UK. You can see there are still those showers that may just want to push into the far western areas at times, but generally as we head toward Wednesday and Thursday, there'll be a lot of dry weather and prolonged sunshine to be had. Temperatures also staying in the mid to high 20s, probably not seeing 30 degrees as regularly as we head towards the middle part of the week, but it's still going to be feeling very warm for the vast majority of us. We'll keep you up to date with all our updates across social media, and you'll find more on our website, on our app as well. And we'll be back with you again very shortly. Bye-bye.